Yo, what's up, everyone? It's your boy Looney back with another real one. Today, I'm going to walk you through what happens when you get assigned on a cash secured put and it feels like the worst time and how to deal with it. So, I have been assigned numerous times, especially on stocks like Riot and SoFi, and it feels like it's one of the ugliest days of the year where stocks are tanking and you end up acquiring shares at an average cost that you're not comfortable with. And you're starting to think, what is next? What happens if it keeps dipping and it goes down after that? First thing is, I remind myself, assignment is not failure. It is a part of investing and also part of the wheel if you're doing the wheel strategy. You got the opportunity to collect premium up front, and now you own the stock. So therefore, you're in the game. Let me pull up one of my assignments. Let me pull up Riot right now. So you could clearly see somehow my average cost is $9.26 and Riot is trading at $7. So my average cost is above what it's trading at, and I'm in the negatives. So you might think, well, this is just bad investing, bad timing, but I am able to deal with it. And that's step 2. You sell covered calls. I've been managing risk by selling covered calls on the shares I've owned. So even when the stock is down or moves sideways, these premiums help lower my cost basis little by little. So you could see here, I'm down $1,300, and on today I'm down $51. But if we go to my realized profit on options and we scroll down to Riot, I'm actually up $1,800 on option trading. So let's see where that puts me with Riot in general. It actually puts me in the positive, about $500 positive. Now, you might be thinking, why didn't you just wait for the dip? And that's because you don't know the future. So you don't know if the stock is going to go up. You don't know if it's going to go down. But the premium is guaranteed. You get that money no matter what, and you could use it for whatever. And what I plan to do is to sell more cash secured puts. So if we look down here, I have covered calls as well, but I also have cash secured puts still running, $6.5 put, $5.5 put, a $6 put. So I have 3 different ones going on, all expiring at the end of May. So if we pull up this one, it is up 26%. We pull up this one, it is up $28 or 96%. We pull up this one, it is up $10 or 43%. I might end up closing this trade because there's not really much money to be made with this. So I might end up just closing this one depending on market open tomorrow. But yeah, that's your way around it. Use those premiums to overcome these situations. And you could also track your cost basis. Although it says my average cost is $9.20, that's not necessarily true, especially with all the premiums collected. That would put my average cost a lot lower. And step 4 is to just overall stay flexible. If you think the stock's still weak, I don't really double down right away. I'm not so eager to get in. I do sell puts at strikes lower instead, like I just showed you. So those $5 puts and $6 puts, which are up, very beneficial. And another step that I like to keep is to have cash on the side. So I have a little bit of cash, $1,300. I'm looking to put more cash in so that when the stock does drop even lower, you do have that extra cushion to maybe catch the bottom. So don't go all in, is what I'm going with that. Now, you can't really control the market, but you could control your response to the markets. So you should keep your emotions in check, manage exposure, and don't YOLO into recovery plays. Assignments do suck, but if you do stay disciplined, they don't have to wreck your portfolio. So you could clearly see Riot takes up most of my portfolio, 17%, and I'm down $1,300, but with the premiums and just staying patient, I am okay with this short-term loss because I got those premiums to offset. And also I stay diversified. Overall, I am still up 21%. So pretty interesting on how that works. Although Riot and other cryptos take up most of my portfolio, that's how I'm managing my positions. So drop a comment below if you've ever been assigned on a put and how you handled it. Like, subscribe, and join the Discord for live trade alerts and coaching. Peace.